Oh, nice. Oh, come check it out. Oh, that looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna remove these 4 screws. Those are T20. These are those clips that you need to kind of push back somehow. So there's 1, 2, there's 8 altogether. And on this one, I didn't break any of them, so they're all there. This is for the heated mirror, and this is for auto dimming. We need to remove the back. There's the bulb. It's a halogen. But maybe we should just replace this entire housing. What do you think?
Yeah.
Get an LED. So we'll disconnect it and just leave the wire hanging for now. Okay, so this is our power. Okay, so we're gonna plug this to the new light. That's gonna give us power. So let's see how that works. This plugs into here, and the factory is gonna go into there. That's our power. So it's super easy, huh? Just that goes like that. Okay, so that's our power. This one's a little loose, so I'm just gonna bend it a little bit. Yeah, let me just put this in, so that's just gonna go in like... There isn't as much play in the wire here. Give it some slack in the wire. Okay. That's our power. It's gonna go there. See that 2-prong there? That's gonna plug into the new signals that replaces the reflector. That was for the puddle light, correct? So that's gonna
yeah.
Yeah, okay.